XCal is renowned as a top-notch network optimization solution, and it's reaching even greater heights with XCal Air. XCal Air is a game changer when it comes to measuring airspace network performance. It's incredibly versatile, able to adapt to various testing needs with different equipment setups. And let's talk about reliability. All the Accuver equipment is stored in waterproof, robust cases, ensuring minimal signal loss even in challenging conditions. Furthermore, XCal Air does its thing automatically. It follows a predefined test path, continuously gathering real-time data on how the network is performing up in the air. Then it beams all that crucial info straight to the server for analysis. XCal Air works together with XCal Manager Air. XCal Manager Air takes all that data and displays it in real time on a 3D map. You can see exactly what's happening in the airspace network at any given moment. And if there's a hiccup, no worries. XCal Manager Air pinpoints the issue with precise root cause analysis. And the use cases, airspace network optimization solution is used for optimizing networks in urban air mobility corridors, monitoring interference in private 5G networks. It can also be used for ensuring stable communication for logistics drones and swiftly inspecting LTE or 5G network coverage and quality of service. The use case of XCal Air are continuously expanding. If you are interested in our airspace network solution, please contact us at any time.